Let me show you the quick and easy process on how you can download Grammarly app. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, in order to download your Grammarly app, firstly you need to head over to the Play Store app, and there on the search bar, search for Grammarly. And once you search for it, you will find this type of interface on your screen. And there, tap on Install button to download and install Grammarly app on your device. Here, our app has been downloaded and installation has been started. And here you go, your app has been downloaded. Now you can tap on Open button to open up your Grammarly app. Now here you go, your app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now you can tap and open the app, and there tap on Get Started to use the Grammarly app. So that was the quick and easy video on how you can download Grammarly app. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.